Now move forward on the next topic, difference and similarities between the Henry's laws and the Roult's law. The different similarities and differences between Roult's Roult's law and and Roult's law and Henry's law. First, write down the heading. The similarities between the Henry's law and the Roult's law. Similarities. First similarity is both applicable for volatile substances. Both applicable for volatile liquids. Second, both state that both states that partial pressure partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. And the next heading is the difference between Raoult's law and the Henry's law. Differences between the Raoult's law and the Henry's law. The first and most basic difference in the Raoult's law, proportionality nality constant as equal to in the Raoult's law, the proportionality constant as vapor pressure of pure liquid, like proportionality constant is equal to the pure liquid. Second difference in Henry's law, proportionality constant is Henry constant, represented by KH. Henry deal deals about solubility of gases in liquid, okay. Now move on the next topic, Raoult's law, a special case of Henry's law. Write down the heading. Raoult's law is a special case of Henry's law. Raoult's law, PA is equal to PA, any component A is PA naught XA, whereas Henry's law, P, the partial pressure, is Henry's constant into a mole fraction. Here, here PA is partial pressure of component A. P naught A is the vapor pressure of pure component A, and XA is the mole fraction of A in liquid phase. where P is equal to the partial pressure of KH is the Henry constant, or X is the mole fraction of gas. Here the partial pressure of the gas G and Xg is subscript for the gas. Okay. If Henry's constant KH is equal to vapor pressure of the pure component A, then then the Raoult's law become Henry's law. Then Raoult's law become Henry's law. Henry's law. Henry's law. Therefore, for dilute solution in which the KH become equal to the vapor pressure, in which Henry's constant, the KH, becomes equal to vapor pressure of pure component, in which the KH becomes equal to the vapor pressure of pure component. In such a cases, the Raoult's law become Henry's law. Therefore, the dilute solution which the KH become equal to the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. The Henry's law, Raoult's law become a special case of Henry's law. This is all about the differences, similarities between the Henry's law and the Raoult's law. And the Raoult's law is the special case of Henry's law if KH is equal to vapor pressure of pure solvent A, then the Raoult's law become Henry's law. Therefore, for the dilute solution in which the KH become equal to the vapor pressure of the pure solvent, then the Raoult's law become Henry's law. That's all about the special case of Henry's law is the Raoult's.